Yeah, boy. Whoa. Look at these two natty kings right here. Let's go.
Regular massive bicep. This is the extra. I have an extra
injection
bicep
site right here.
Oh, I see that.
Where the needle goes in.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like that.
Pure burgers.
You got bigger biceps than him.
My bicep has a
Pretty close. We need a tape measure.
Tape measure doesn't fit around. They don't make them big enough.
Not enough.
No, ain't enough tape
To measure this.
Nice kit, Walski. Is it matching?
Leave me alone.
It's matching. Damn.
I hate you so much.
Like and subscribe to the B Team YouTube channel if you want to see more content.
I look like similar. Like two heads and one pod.
I don't know. I feel big. It's like making fun of the autistic kid or
He
something.
really believes me.
Where the fuck have you been?
Got a bad staph infection, so I had to do 10 days of antibiotics.
Holy shit.
Bactrim too, which is fucking heavy.
Fuck you up?
Oh yeah, it made me throw up 2 of the days. The medication
That's rough.
threw up 2 of the days.
Yeah.
And it's just like nauseous every time I took it. I had to take it twice a day. Today's gonna be rough for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely can't go crazy. I mean, good note, it made me lose like fucking 7-8 pounds.
Did you?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Without training, yeah.
How much you weigh?
I mean, I was 190, so now I'm down to like 182.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
What'd you do? What'd you upgrade to recently?
I made another irresponsible purchase that I don't regret. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. There it is.
This is it. I'm sure you guys that are watching saw that I had a white 37 package Raptor.
God damn.
But now we have a green Raptor R. Financial advisors out there, you are correct. This is a terrible purchase. but I couldn't help myself. Check this out. My first Ford was a 1995 box body F-150. Straight 6 in it, manual transmission. I bought that for $1,000. I had a crack in the frame. Drove it from Delaware to New Jersey. Could pretty much only make left-hand turns because of the crack in the frame. And now we're doing pretty well, so we upgraded to a Raptor. As you see, it's pretty dirty. We got some dust on the wheels because we played around recently. Let me show you the engine, because this is the real difference in vehicles, right? Oh, very important. Lucky Charm. I have a dinosaur tooth that I found in Moab. Drop a comment if you think this is real, because it was only $10. So, I don't know the pricing on dinosaur tooths, but this is an aquatic dinosaur. It's extinct 3 million years ago, so I think it's real. This is the only real difference between the white raptor and the green raptor, right? I'm the kind of guy that wants the best things in life. Mass production, this is like the best truck you can buy. Ram TRX owners, the Raptor R is far better than the TRX. The suspension, the looks, the horsepower, right? Talking 720 horsepower, tons of torque, and tons of fun. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. We had some fun already. But this badge right here, that R stands for real fast. This is my baby.
Turn it on, let's hear it.
All right. Multiple things I love about this truck. I'm a big sunroof guy. Every time I drive, I have it open. The heads-up display, right? I like that I can just tap this, especially when I'm off-roading, and I get
that's cool.
Rear view or front view if I choose. And I just love Ford. Been a Ford guy since I bought my first truck. And then the power, very fast, very unnecessarily fast. Truck is not supposed to do 0 to 60 in 30 seconds. Right?
0 to 60 in 30 seconds.
That's 60. It's fun to drive.
Man, that's surprisingly quiet in here.
It's pretty quiet, yeah. It gives you different modes. Like you can change the exhaust from normal to sport to Baja to even quiet mode. Same with the suspension. You can adjust the suspension. It's completely an ego purchase. I don't really care about the horsepower and stuff. I mean, it's fun to drive. It's my ambition. I'm an ambitious person. I had to feed my ego buying this truck, and my ego's full right now. So we can just keep living life. If you guys can afford a Raptor R, I'd say have at it, but don't go into debt. You know what I mean? make good decisions. Today's special day. Our guy, JB, just won brown belt worlds. To celebrate, we want to toss this guy a black belt, whatever he well deserved. This thing he's been training for over 15 years. You know, he was at B team since day one, since before we opened. I'm excited for this.
Doing it? All right, everybody, bring it in. All right, guys, very special announcement today. Someone who's been with us since day one, since even really before day one. Recently had a great performance at IBJJF Worlds. We're going to be giving out a black belt to JB. Let's go. Right. Yes. 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 Think of your speech while I do this.
All right, this is a high tide, dude. It's up there. Hell yeah.
All right, good enough. Yeah, it's fucking fun. All right, yes. All right.
This place is special because all the people here, so just thanks for being here. And yeah, this is awesome. I wasn't holding my breath, but I was hoping for it. Yeah. Just thanks. Appreciate it.
You earned it.
There you go, you finally got it.
Yeah. Oh, no. Nice, buddy.
What a nod, huh?